How to send videos on Gmail. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly click on the this compose with pen like button in the bottom right corner. When you click on this, then there is all the options, so you have to fill in the username that you fill in the email address that you want to send the email in the two section, and after that you have to write the subject, and then you can compose email. And after that you can see the paper clip icon in the left side of the share button, you can see. So when you click on this, then there is option of attach file. When you click on the attach file, then it will open in this form, so you can attach any of the files that you want, but I am attaching this file, let's see. And then you have to when you have to long hold any of the file to select, and let's see, I firstly you have to long hold any of the file that you want to select, and then you have to click on the select in the top right corner. And here you can see the this video is now loaded, and then you have to click on the share button. When you click on the share button, then here you can see it is the send. So that's basically it, that how you can send videos on Gmail. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. Have a good day.